Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys we are going to be showing you how you can take a look at any closed Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is going to be the home page that you want to open. So open it up, and once you do, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, where in the upper right corner we can get started. In the upper right corner, first things first, we need to sign up for an account. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is go and create a login, create a new one, and after that we can log in to our Google account. So once we have done that, now we will be greeted by this home page right here. Here we can get started creating a new form if you do not already have one, and if you have one, you can get started managing it from right here. So as you can see, go ahead and create a new one if you want. If not, you can just go ahead and open it up right here. But guys, let's say that you have filled out a Google form sometime in the past, but since then the form has closed and you cannot take a look at your answers. Even if you have created the form, as you can see, I have a form right here. I can always take a look at my responses, so even if the form is closed, I will be able to take a look at that right here. But if it's somebody else's form, what can we do? As you can see in this Reddit thread, somebody already asked the same question and we got the answer. Basically guys, if you remember where you found the form, you might try reaching out to whoever has put it together to ask for the responses so they can tell you the responses that you put in. But guys, other than that, the answer is no. You cannot take a look at any closed form, so you need to have somebody with access to the form to take a look at the responses if it is closed. So basically that's the only thing you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.